see, this baghouse is laying on its side right now, but what we're looking at here is a winterization kit for the cleaning system on a Pulse Jet Baghouse. We're always fighting temperature in a baghouse. So as you see here, we have a heating element running around the air manifold. We have insulation inside this box, and we've built this thing to resist failures in regards to moisture. Anytime you have hot air and it's combining with cool air, you can pass through dew point and you can get moisture forming in this system. If you're in an extreme climate like a lot of baghouses are for IAC, you can build new baghouses with winterization kits, or if you have questions, we can look at retrofitting your baghouse with one of these for future use. If you'd like to talk to us about it, give us a call at IAC 913-384-5511.